These hermetically sealed rolls of carbon fiber prepreg are critical for the air refueling probe's lightweight
Final torque confirms specification on the fasteners.
Visual inspection confirms aerodynamic integrity. Process A is complete.
The extension cycle is complete. Check the stress metrics.
All green. Stage 1 functional test is a go.
Look at the convergence on the angle of attack sensors here. We are well within the established benchmarks for Process A.
Reading stable. The proximity detectors are fully synchronized.
Weight and balance verified. 450.235 kilograms.
Checks out. Process A is complete.
The spectrum looks clean on channel 3. Initiating process assign-off.
Confirmed. All parameters are within tolerance.
Automated cleaning meticulously prepares the probe. Robotic brushes ensure a pristine finish before a final UV inspection readies it for Process B.
The robotic validation ensures all tools are within aerospace tolerances. Laser track.
Clear on the left, moving into Bay 4.
Copy that. Speed steady at 2 knots, approaching the platform.
Check the leading edge for any imperfections.
Looks pristine, confirming quality gate B.
Self-tests complete. Actuator response is nominal.
Confirmed. The probe is cleared for integration.
We have stable alignment on all axes.
Copy that. Moving to the mating procedure now.
Torque sequence complete on coupling 4.
Confirmed. Bore scope shows perfect seal, ready for pressure test.
Okay, the sensor readings are fully synchronized. The refueling probe is successfully integrated. Process B is complete.
Running aggressive turn sequence now. Monitor probe stress on Process B.
Data stream is stable. Integration verified.
Final check on the airspeed indicator, confirming stabilization.
Confirmed. All parameters are within tolerance after probe integration.
Verify the attachment points, B.
Confirmed. No anomalies detected.
Process B certification authorized. Weight reading stable at 22,500 kilograms.
Center of gravity is within the forward limit.
Process B verification complete, finalizing the report.
refueling probe and access panels are secure.
Logbook review complete. We are clear for engine start.
Rafale 41, pre-flight checks complete. Requesting taxi clearance.
Clearance confirmed.
Roger that. Runway clear, you are good to taxi.
Contact made, commencing transfer.
Roger that. Fuel flow stabilizing.
Thanks to the Air Refueling Probe, the Rafale aircraft can sustain prolonged aerial presence, highlighting its enhanced strategic value in distant theaters.
Ground control, this is Rafale 11. Mission parameters stable, fuel status green. Confirming tactical update. Diagnostics connected. Initiating data download sequence now.
Copy that. Monitor engine parameters closely.
The Rafale stands ready, a symbol of strategic importance and unwavering defense.
Thanks to the Air Refueling Probe, the Rafale's operational reach is significantly extended, showcasing...
The Air Refueling Probe fundamentally transforms our mission profiles. It drastically extends endurance and significantly enhances